Welcome to the Office of Summer and Winter Sessions tutorial on the registration process. This video will provide step-by-step directions on how to search for classes using the schedule of classes. The schedule of classes is where students, both Rutgers and visiting students, can access the course offerings for each term. To access the schedule of classes, go to classes.rutgers.edu. After visiting the page, select the term you are interested in. Next, choose the location you want to take the course. For example, the Rutgers New Brunswick campus. Then, select the level of the courses you would like to view, either undergraduate or graduate. Then, click Continue. When the page redirects here, you may begin to search for classes. In this area here, use the drop-down menu to view all the course subjects that are offered. There is also the option to type in keywords. Let us do a keyword search for business. Now, you will see all the courses offered related to business populated in the right-hand area. You can click on a course to see more details or use the left-hand column to modify the options you may be looking for. Expanding a course will show the course description, where the course is offered, and where the course will take place. Let us expand this course, Business Policy and Strategy, which is a notable example of how to read the schedule of classes. There are 3 sections of this course. One section is an in-person class with classes held on Livingston campus. The other 2 are online courses. The 3 sections are also being held in different sessions. As you can see here, the course sections are E6, R6, and R7. You can check the exact start and end dates of the course in the blue section right here. What you'll want to remember from this page is the index number of the course, which is listed under Index right next to your desired course section. That is the number you will use to register on the WebReg system. The next column is the campus the course is held on. For this specific course, it is being held on Livingston. Then, you can go further over to see the exact building and room. Hovering over that text or right-clicking it will give you more information about the location. After that is the instructor that will teach the course and the exam code. This concludes our tutorial on the schedule of classes. If you need further information on the other steps of the registration process, please view our other videos in the registration playlist.